awesome! Hi everybody! Today we're drawing a cute succulent or cacti or any other plant you like inside of a small glass bottle. Let's go! Step 1. Draw a rectangle. This is going to be the base shape in which we are going to create the bottle. Step 2. Draw a bottle shape inside the rectangle. Step 3. Draw an oval. An oval is like a circle but then squished together. Step 4. Create the top of the bottle. This is a little rectangle with a curved edge, and don't forget about the cork. Step 5. Add some plants and small rocks. This is a fun step because you can do whatever you want. I usually start with a small rock, which is just a little square, and then add some different organic shapes next to it. For a good reference, just look in the garden or in your balcony, or maybe Google some pictures of small plants. Just have fun with it. Step 6. Give the bottle a cute face, of course. Step 7. Ink the lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made your own cute friend in a bottle. Now, try some different shapes, try some different plants, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!